Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track order on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to track your Temu order, all you gotta do is simply visit your account. So once you have visited your Temu account, now all you need to do is simply go to your order section. So once you have gone to your order section as well, you can simply go and tap on all your orders or the one that is processing and tap on the track button next to the order you want to monitor. This will now take you to the page where you can simply see the shipping carrier, tracking number, and the delivery time. So if a tracking number isn't available yet, your order is likely still being processed. So this means that it's still being processed and it's in the inventory section and it will be shipped soon. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.